The Dewalt 20V Max Tiller Cultivator is a versatile gardening tool that operates efficiently with Dewalt and Mellif 20-volt batteries, making it an excellent choice for those already using these battery systems. With a 14.2-inch width and 8.7-inch depth, this tiller is designed to effectively dig through soil and assist in grass reseeding, ensuring a productive gardening experience. Weighing only 19.8 pounds, it is incredibly lightweight, and its foldable design adds to its convenience, making it easy to store in limited spaces. This tiller is built to last with a dust-proof and sealed design, enhanced by a large aluminum heat sink that aids in heat dissipation, promoting durability over time. Users will appreciate the stability provided by the large steel base plate and adjustable wheels, which make operations smooth and comfortable, minimizing soil splashing. Safety is a priority, with features like a safety lock to prevent accidental starts and low-voltage protection that safeguards both the machine and battery, offering peace of mind during use.